Hey, what's up guys? This is Johnny Polo again with another video. I got some new things that I want to show you. But the first one that I'm really excited for is this one right here. So this is an ST Dupont lighter, but it's not just a regular ST Dupont lighter. This is the brand new Opus X limited edition lighter. And this is the Legrand. So this is the, oh man, this thing is super nice. So the packaging is a little bit different on these. It's the Legrand Cling, so it has the perfect ping basically, but that's for the Legrand. It's the Fuente 25th. This is the limited edition, and this is gonna be the part number over here, so if you guys wanna look it up. But yeah, so the box is a little bit different than what we're used to, just because it's a limited edition. It has a sleeve, and then let's open this one up. There's a second one, and this is this is really nice. Oh, there's another sleeve. And here it is. Beautiful box. Yeah, this is definitely different than the one that I got with the Fluo. The Fluo was an itty bitty box, nothing like this, but this is a limited edition also, so. But here it is. Take a look at this. Beautiful presentation, beautiful box. Take a look at the lighter. I haven't opened it yet actually, so this is a legit unboxing. Beautiful lighter. Should have grabbed my gloves actually for this. Wow, such a beautiful piece. The attention to detail with this is beautiful. Yeah, I need to fill it up. I'm very excited for this thing. Wow. Yeah, this is an amazing addition to the collection for sure. Over here it comes with a screwdriver as usual, the warranty card, the Legrand. This is what I want to see though. What's this? Nice. So this is all of the collection. So they have a line 2, a Biggie, and the Legrand, and they also have a cutter. They have a humidor as well, and they have the ashtray. They all just came out. I think they just got, well, they got released a while ago, but they just came out, and they started being available on the market right now. This one I actually picked up for an amazing deal, so I'm very happy with this purchase. This is gonna be my Christmas present, so I have to pack it again. I'll do it on the side over here. And then let's take a look at the other ones. So I know you guys are gonna be excited for the rest as well. Let's take a look. So I managed to get another box of Opus 25th. This is my second box now. This one was already open, but it's a complete box. I got it here locally actually from the Riverman. And you guys already know everything about this box. I already told you about it. But this is a phenomenal cigar. If you guys can find these, definitely buy them. Obviously, I'm not saying buy a full box like I did, but definitely if you can pick up a couple of them just to give them a try, go ahead and do that. You'll find these kind of reasonable right now. Don't look online. Online, everybody's asking like $2,000, $2,500 for the box, which is crazy, but you can find them actually discounted, either locally or online. And by discounted, I don't mean under MSRP. Definitely you're gonna pay over MSRP for any rare opus that you're gonna find. But for something like this, I would say between 60 to 75, maybe $80 a stick is reasonable. It depends on how much you want to spend and if you want to do that. Definitely though, if you end up buying a full box, definitely try and negotiate a little bit more, because I mean obviously you're buying the full box. But I don't think any lounges at the moment are agreeing to discounting these boxes. So let's take a look at the other ones. I have a box of Destino al Siglo. This is the Don Arturo. You guys know I love this blend, and everybody I know actually in the cigar community, they love this cigar. So I have tried many other Vitolas as well, but this is one of my favorite Vitolas. I'll show you in a bit if I can open this. I don't want to scratch the box. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm using my tripod today. So, let's take a look. Oh, there's 2 seals on this box. I don't know why, but take a look. You see some leftovers here. There's the stickers. Let's cut these. There we go. Let's take a look. So I've always been impressed with the presentation on these, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but this is a beautiful, beautiful box. Kind of looks like a book. Really, really nice box. Let's take a look. Look at this. Tell me this doesn't look good. So this is the Don Arturo. This is the Destino al Siglo. Beautiful box. Man, I should be a brand ambassador for Fuente. Let's take a look. Beautiful, beautiful cigar. They really need to make more of these. Even the Opus 22 box, actually both of the ones that I have, the 2022 and the 2023, have some Don Arturos in them, and they're amazing, amazing cigars. One of the boxes, I believe the 2023, maybe the 2022, I ended up trading that box. So I have the other one left, and I did smoke, I think, half of the Opus 22 box that I have at the moment. So yeah, but I'm very excited for these as well. You don't find these, by the way, regularly on the market, and I'm not sure why. I also got, not this one, I got 2 Andalusian Bull sticks from the Riverman, from the same lounge that I just told you about, but I was able to find this box at another lounge as well, also locally, so I had to pick it up. So this is gonna be probably like my 10th Andalusian Bull box, but you guys, ooh, yeah, this needs to be replaced. This definitely needs to be replaced. But yeah, here it is. These things are beautiful. The wrapper is very, very delicate on these, so I always inspect the boxes as soon as I get them, because you always have some damage on the foot because of the shipping. And definitely, I mean, if you do end up trading some of these, make sure you wrap them correctly. Make sure you cover everything with bubble wrap. Leave this thing in there. This actually helps for things not to move around. But these are just phenomenal. The only bad thing to these is you have to age them. And by age them with these, it honestly gets better. So just leave them in your humidor, put it in the back of the humidor and the bottom of the Tupperware, whatever, and forget about it. Don't even touch the box, don't even open the box. I would say for at least a year. Every year you age these, they get different and they get better. So definitely give them a try. I am trying to get the Andalusian Bull, what was it called? There was a special edition for the LFD Andalusian Bull. I forgot what it's called. I forgot. But yeah, I'm trying to get the special edition of these. Not the golden, not the NFT golden ones. Those I do have. But there's another one that I completely forgot. I know my friend at Cigar Carpenter, he highly recommended that cigar. Even on his channel, he made a review of that. I completely forgot though. I have to look it up. But I'm trying to get some of those to give them a try. Hopefully I'll find some. I have it saved somewhere, the name of that cigar, but for some reason I completely forgot about it. But yeah, so this is it for today's video. I'm very excited for everything that I got. 2025, it's been a really, I would say, an exciting year. It's been tough in many ways, but I'm very thankful. I'm thankful for all of you guys. I'm thankful for my family as well. I'm thankful for all the amazing friends that I have. And of course, I'm thankful to all of my cigar friends here in St. Louis, Missouri, and everywhere basically in the world right now. It's really nice. I've been looking at the subscribers on my channel and everything. I have people watching me from Canada, from United Kingdom, from USA. I am so freaking happy to have you all of you guys on my channel. This is amazing. I mean, to me, it always reminds me that, I don't know why, for some reason back home, like, not a lot of people smoke cigars, and the people that do smoke cigars are usually high officials, either in the government or whatever. So we're not really experienced with cigars, and we always had the idea that cigars are like for the rich and nobody can access them, nobody can touch them. And once I got here, I always kind of wondered, like, if I go to a lounge, am I gonna feel comfortable? Am I gonna be welcomed? And believe me when I say, if you are a nice human being, it really does not matter. When you go to the lounge, everybody's gonna talk to you, everybody's gonna have conversations with you, everybody's there to enjoy their cigar, relax, and have a drink, have a nice conversation, get to know people. Everybody's down to earth, no matter whether you're smoking a $100 cigar or a $10 cigar, it does not matter. You're still gonna have that one guy that comes in and he's gonna tell you, oh, I'm smoking an Opus tonight. Oh, I'm smoking a Cuban today, or whatever. Ignore those. That's not even 5% of the population at the moment with the cigar enthusiasts and aficionados. Whenever you're at the lounge, just be genuine, have fun, respect everybody, and they will respect you, and you'll have fun. You'll get to meet a lot of amazing people. You'll have connections. If a lot of people ask me, how can I get Opus? How can I get this? How can I get that? Connections. Make conversations, talk to people. You don't have to buy boxes and boxes and boxes. I have the room, I have the humidors, I can store, I can collect, and that's what I do, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I collect watches, I collect Dupont, I collect cigars. I love to collect things, but you don't have to do that. All you have to do is build reputation, build connection with the people, with the lounges that you have around you, and they will hook you up. If they get a box in, they will call you, they will sell you a couple of sticks for you to try and see what you like. Enjoy it. I mean, cigars is always going to be a matter of preference. So one cigar might be great for you, might be bad for me, and the other way around. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments. I am always happy to help. If you have any recommendations for me, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you want to see in 2026 as far as videos, as far as cigars. I am using the tripod again today. The last one that I had got broke, so so I ended up buying this one. But yeah, definitely give me ideas. I would love to keep this channel alive, and I also want to keep you guys entertained as well. So the 2026, definitely I'm gonna start doing some more smoking videos, more reviews here and there. I know I've been saying it for all throughout the 2025, but it's been one thing after the other, and I just moved into a new house, so that was a lot to deal with in the last 4 months as well. So definitely keep an eye on the channel. Definitely I can use your recommendations as well. And once again, I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate all the support and love. You guys have a wonderful evening. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all of you guys and your families. I love you all. Have a good one.